In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change email on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at your profile picture right here. That opens up your profile page where you should tap at these three lines at the top right, and then tap on settings. On that screen you can easily find account and towards the very top personal information. That's where you can find your email, phone number and birth date, and in that way, just by tapping at that email field, you can change it. You can just remove existing one, and then you can type in your new email and then just hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.